In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Canva templates 2025 step by step. By the end, you'll know how to design a template in Canva, generate a shareable template link, package it into a PDF, and list it for sale online. First, open your web browser and go to Canva. Log into your account so you can access your designs and saved uploads. If you're new, a free account works fine to get started. Next, click Create and choose what kind of template you want to sell. For this walkthrough, a logo is a simple example, but the same process applies to social posts, planners, resumes, or any other Canva format. Start designing your template. If you already have graphics or a logo mark, go to the Uploads panel, click Upload Files, and select the images from your computer. Drag them onto the canvas and arrange them. Use assets you own or have proper rights to use. Add text by selecting Add a text box, then type your placeholder copy. Customize your font style, size, color, and alignment so everything looks cohesive. Think about readability and flexibility for the buyer. They should be able to change text easily to match their brand. You can also change the background. Click the background area, open the color options at the top, and pick a color that suits the design. Keep contrast in mind so text remains clear. When your first page looks good, add a new page. This second page will hold your thank you message or quick instructions for the buyer, and this is where you'll include the template link they'll click to make their own copy. Now generate that template link. Click Share, choose Template Link, then select Create Template Link. Copy the link that Canva provides. This special link ensures buyers open a fresh copy, not your original design. Return to your second page, select the text you want to make clickable, open the three dots for more options, choose Link, paste the template link, and click Done. Confirm the text looks like a link. It's time to package your deliverable. Click Share, then Download. Choose PDF Standard as the file type and download your PDF. This PDF becomes the digital product customers receive, and it contains the instructions and the template link they need. Finally, list your template for sale. You can upload the PDF to platforms like Etsy, Rocket.ph, or your own website, and make sure to market it so customers can find it. That's it. Your Canva template is ready to sell.